So far, we have seen the various concepts in Java, like, so what is a class, what is a method, and other things, right? So the first and a foremost thing that we need to focus out over there is what exactly a package is. Okay, on a simple terms, I can say a simple folder location in Java. In order to prevent the naming conflict and to control the access, we are going for these packages. A package is a set of classes and interfaces that are stored at a separate location. Okay, I can say group of classes, interfaces, and various sub packages we can define within a package. Okay, within a package. So the Java packages are of two types basically. One is a user defined package, and the another thing is which is a built-in packages. So the built-in packages that comes by default with the Java whenever you have installed Java. So by default, the packages are there in Java, and depending on our need, we will be customizing the packages also. Okay, so the packages also. So those packages, we call it as a user defined packages. And why we need these packages in Java means, so here if you observe within our source code, we are just creating our classes and they are going into a default package. So usually all the classes or the interfaces of the sub packages will be stored within a single package, which represents an entity for us. An example for this particular package on a high level, I can say, assume that we want to purchase a grade 2 physics book. Okay, this is what our requirement is. I have a bookstall 1 and I have a bookstall 2 in front of me. In my first bookstall, they have a categorized everything and they have a placed labels for everything. Okay, they have a place labels for everything so that I can easily pick my desired book. Whereas in a bookstall 2, they placed all the books in one rack. Starting from grade 1 to grade 10, they have placed everything in a single rack. And whereas in the other side, in a bookstall 1, they have mentioned that here it will falls the book 1, grade 1, and in the grade 1 math, physics, science, English, like that they have a categorized in a subject level, grade level and a subject level, which will be easy for you guys to pick the selected book or the desired book. Definitely the categorized one, the labeled one itself. Right, so it means it will gives you a unique identity for the desired things in a quick glimpse itself. The same way here also. Okay, the same way here also. In the real world, whenever you are working on a project, the relevant information we will store it in a one package. The set of some logics we will define in one particular package. I can say one example for this one is, assume that you are working on automation testing. The core logics, we will define it in one particular package. Whatever the logics you want to write down, the complete core logics we want to define in one particular package. Okay, maybe the page locators, the exceptions, all those things, you will be defining it in another package. So the ultimate thing is a package is a mandatory chunk that we need to add to any class that we are defining in Java Eclipse editor, where the packages will contain just the classes or an interfaces inside that. The group of information will be stored within a package itself. Okay, and it in general, if at all I am adding certain duplicate names, to avoid that naming conflicts also, we are using the packages. And the ease of access and for easy readability, all those things, we are using these packages. How exactly we can create a package means, right click on your SRC, So far, we are directly creating a class. Just above the class, there is a package. If you choose the package, so where this package is getting created in this batch of 131 Java, inside the SRC, this is the package that it's being created. So and I'm naming my package as maybe scripts one. So I'm just defining my package as a scripts one, guys. That's it, nothing more than that. And I clicked on a finish. Automatically, a new package got created here. Okay. And there is another way for us to create a package. So right click on an SRC, new class. And this time I'm creating a new class. So by default, whenever you are creating a new class, your Java is prompting you that it is the default package. If you want to use that package, just use it. If not, give a new name to that particular package. Scripts 2. So whenever it is creating, it will check whether this package name is there or not. If it is there, it will not create a new package. If that package is not there, it will create a new package. For suppose demo 1. So as of now, the scripts 2 package is not there. As and when I clicked on a finish, see the scripts 2 package in which the demo 2 class got created for us. Okay, the demo 2 class got created for us. And moving ahead, if at all you want to define any information in a package, directly right click on your package name, go to new, and here go to new and go to the class. Directly I can define my class information here within the package. You can define it directly. Right click on a package and new, you can perform that particular desired operations, guys. Okay, perfect. Done the deal. And whenever you created any new class, okay, so whenever you created any new class, see here, guys, by default, the package name statement will be there for every class that we are creating. Package space and name. This is what the package of this particular script is. This class is belonging to the scripts 1 package. Okay, this is the class demo 1 that is belonging to this particular scripts 1 package. Okay, this is belonging to this scripts 1 package. It's a mandatory for us to specify this particular package name basically. So whenever you are creating, okay, so whenever you are creating a new class inside a package, automatically Java will be pointing you this particular package name itself. Okay, so you no need to explicitly write down this information. See here, guys, assume that I'm creating a new class in a scripts 2 package. Right click, new class demo 2. This class I'm creating inside the scripts 2 package. And whenever I clicked on a finish, see here, for this class, automatically the package name got a populated package and a scripts 2. This is what it's being populated. Okay, good. Done the deal. Okay, done the deal. So this is the way how exactly we need to deal with it. Okay, good. And then the next point that we need to consider here is, okay, so once after we have studied about this particular packages overview, in the real world, whenever you are working on your projects, you will not only find this package name. If you see this example, basically, see here, com.automation.config. So what exactly this one means? This is a sub package. So COM is a major package. Inside the COM, there is an automation sub package. Inside the automation package, there is a config package. So this is a standard naming conventions that we usually follow in a real world. And in the package name, if at all you are seeing a dot means it's a sub package. So COM is a first package. Inside the COM, there is an automation package. Inside the automation package, there is a config package. So let us create that particular stuff now. So here, com dot batch 131 dot Java. So here, this is what the package that I have created. So here, this is a package. So let us go back to the Java folder location for this project and see how exactly this com.batch131.java looks like. So here I navigated to this project root folder location. And in this project root folder location, see here, 131 Java. Inside the SRC, we have all the packages, script 1, script 2, everything. And here, inside the SRC, there is a com. And inside the com, there is a batch 131. And inside which there is a Java where we are categorizing the complete information here. Okay, com dot project name dot that particular module name, we will be specifying here. Okay, good. Done the deal. So this is the way how exactly we need to define the sub packages. Okay, this is the way how exactly we need to define the sub packages. So what I'm doing right now means, let me create a new class in this sub packages system, demo 1. So here, whenever you created a class inside of these sub packages, so this package com dot batch 131.java. So this is what the ultimate point that it's being representing. Okay, this is what the ultimate point that it's being representing. Okay. Good. Okay, good. Done the deal. And once you are done up to here, this packages, this is all about packages, how to create a package, how to create a sub package, where exactly you can find this packages information. And the next thing is basically how exactly we are accessing the information defined in a one package and another package. See, assume that I have a defined a demo one in com.batch131.java. I want to use this information. Okay, so I want to use this information in a scripts2 package. So how exactly we need to deal this information, all these things we'll see with a practical examples moving ahead. Okay, that's fine. Done up to here. Done the deal. Any questions in this point, guys? Okay, good. Okay, perfect. Done the deal. So this is the way how exactly we can deal with these packages and those details. Okay, and